In this video, I want to show you how to calculate Standardized Precipitation Index. The Standardized Precipitation Index quantifies precipitation anomalies over a specified time. It helps in assessing droughts and wet period. It standardizes precipitation data, allowing comparison across regions and time frames. Standardized precipitation index values ranges from negative, which indicates drought, to positive, indicating surplus. This index aids in water resource management and agricultural planning. In this video, we are going to use meteorological drought monitor software. In the previous video, I've done how to download and install this software. You can check the video in the description box. So let's get started. To start with, I have this rainfall data, and you have to arrange your data in this format. The first column will be year, followed by month, and the rainfall data. So you can see, for example, year 2000, I've arranged it from January to December, and this is the rainfall data. Likewise, year 2001, I have arranged it, and also the monthly rainfall data. So arrange your data like this for all the years under investigation. So after you have arranged your data like this in Excel, then make sure you save your data, and then you can now close it. Then open your meteorological drought monitor software. When it opens, this is how the interface looks like. So let's maximize it. Now, to start with, we need to bring in our data. So click on File and click on Open Data File. Navigate to your folder where you have your rainfall data. So in this case, I want to use this rainfall data. Click on it and click Open. Then click on Sheet 1. This will open the View interface, and let me maximize it. In the View interface, you can see the preview of your data. You can see column 1 for year, column 2 for month, and column 3 for rainfall or precipitation. Then here, come to select variable. The first variable is year. So click on year. Then come to select header. Click on the drop down and select the header. In this case, column 1. Column 1 is our year. Then click on load column data. Click on OK. You can see it has been loaded. Then the second variable is precipitation. So check it. Come to select header. Click on the drop down and select the header for precipitation, and it's column 3. This is it. So click on load column data. Click on OK. You can see it has been loaded. Then here you have to select your time scale. Our time scale is monthly. Click on it. Then click on back and set. So this will make the page to close. Come to calculate. Click on calculate. Here you can see different indices that you can calculate. But in this video, we are calculating for standardized precipitation index. Put your cursor on it, and you can calculate for monthly, yearly, and moving average. In this example, we are calculating for monthly. Click on monthly. Then here, you have to select the type of station. In this case, it is a new station we are selecting. Select new station. Then click on calculate. So this will calculate the indices. So you can see this is the standardized precipitation indexes for the data we loaded in. So here you can see, let me drag this. You can see the classification or categorization of precipitation index here. So here, when the value is greater than 2, it is categorized as extremely wet. When the value is between 0.5 to 1.99, it is referred to as very wet. While when it is 1 to 1.49, it is considered to be moderately wet. And when it is minus 0.99 to 0.99, it is considered to be near normal. And when it is minus 1 to minus 1.49, it is considered to be moderately dry. And when it is minus 1.5 to minus 1.99, it is considered to be severely dry. And when it is less than minus 2, it is considered to be extremely dry. What you can do with this result is that you can export it to Excel. For instance, if I click on export to Excel, it will ask me where I want to save it. So let me just save it as SPI. Then the format is Excel and click on save. So you can see the file was saved successfully. I can click on OK. Then if I go to that folder, this is it, SPI. If I open it, so you can see the indices for each of the months. So you can copy this to your write-up or thesis as a table which you can discuss, or you can also copy it to your appendix. So having done that, let's go back to the software. Now, another thing you can do is that you can plot this as graph. To do that, just select any of the year, click on OK, and then come to chart. Click on chart. So this will draw the chart for the indices. You can see it here. This is the chart. And of course, you can also change the chart type. So if I click on this drop down, you can see different charts. So let's pick line. And then you can see the line. You can see the line here. And of course, you can equally save your chart by clicking on save. Let's close this page. Then another thing you can do, let me bring this up. You can actually save this figure to load it in your document. So to do that, you can use a snipping tool. Just click on it and snip it. Then you can right click and copy, for example, and you can go to your document or anywhere and right click and paste. So this is it. Similarly, you can also copy the category. So to do that, pick your snipping tool and then copy this, right click and copy, and go back to your document and paste it. This is the easiest way to copy this figure to your document. This is it. Then we already have the value in the Excel. That one is easier to copy as a table to your write-up or project. This is how you can calculate your standardized precipitation index from your rainfall data using meteorological drought monitor software. And if you have any difficulty or question, kindly let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.